In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Google AdSense. We'll walk through setting up your payout details so your earnings can be deposited automatically and on time. Start by signing into your AdSense account with the Google account you use for your site or channel. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left and open the payments section. This is your hub for everything related to getting paid. Inside payments, go to payments info. Here you can see your current balance, past transactions, and any payout settings you've already configured. This page is also where you'll connect a bank or another receiving option. Next, choose Manage Payment Methods, then select Add Payment Method. If you've previously added a method, you can edit it here, but if you're setting this up for the first time, adding a new method is the key step. To make sure your earnings actually arrive, set your preferred method as primary after you save it. For most regions, the recommended choice is wire transfer to bank account or electronic funds transfer, often labeled EFT. EFT is typically the fastest, most reliable, and fee-friendly option. Wire transfers can work well too, but they may involve fees from your bank or intermediary banks and usually require extra details like a Swift BIC or IBAN. Depending on your country, you may also see other methods available in your payment center, such as Western Union Quick Cash. Availability varies by location and currency, so only select options that appear in your own AdSense account. When prompted, carefully enter your bank account or other required details. Make sure the account holder name matches your AdSense payee profile exactly, including spacing and punctuation. Copy routing numbers, Swift, BC codes, or IBANs directly from your bank's official documentation or app to avoid typos. If your bank provides a specific branch address or intermediary bank information for international wires, include it as requested. Double-check everything, save, and set the method as your primary destination for funds. Once your payment method is in place, AdSense handles payouts automatically. Payments are processed between the 21st and the 26th of each month, as long as your finalized balance has reached the payment threshold for your currency and your account is in good standing. If you update your payment method close to the payout window, the change may apply to the next cycle. After payment is issued, watch your payments page for statuses like processing or paid. Bank deposits can take a few business days to arrive depending on your bank weekends and holidays. If a payment window passes and you don't see the funds, review your details for typos and confirm your account can receive international transfers. And that's it. Once you've added a valid payment method and set it as primary, AdSense will deposit your earnings automatically each month.